right, there's Upper Deck Hockey. It's our second one of Series 1. There it is. All right, so we got Brett. I know James is in this. Larry. I've got Travis. I've got Mike Kev. Kev Fowler. Scott Anders is in it. Brett Henry, Chris Lee. I'm just tagging everybody. Give me a sec. And John Montgomery. And Bob. Steven. Kowalik. Ryan Ely's in it. Cool. Ronnie Rust, and that's it. Cool. Upper Deck. Alright, everybody's tagged to it. Easy, cheap little breaks so you can get some decent young guns in and make some money. Yeah, that's what we're mainly looking for. And then you got canvas cards, and you've got Upper Deck exclusives that can add up as well. All right, this one, teams breaking down. We've got the Ducks going to Brett Ross, Coyotes, Travis Wyndham, Bruins, James Leary, Sabres, James Leary, Flames, Mike Keff, Hurricanes goes to Scott Anders, Blackhawks, Brett Ross, Avalanche, Chris Lee, Blue Jackets, Brett Ross, Stars, James Leary, Red Wings and Oilers go to John Montgomery. Panthers, Chris Lee. Kings, James Leary. Wild, Mike Keff. Bob Surtek has the Canadians. Brett Ross, Predators. Stephen Kowalik goes to the Devils. Islanders, Mike Keff. Leary, Rangers. Senators, Brett Ross. Ryan Ely goes the Flyers. Penguins, James Leary. Anders gets the Sharks. Anders gets the Blues. Leary gets the Lightning and Maple Leafs. Ronnie Russ gets the Canucks. Golden Knights, Travis Wyndham. Capitals, Leary. And the Winnipeg Jets goes to Mike Keff. That is how it broke down in this one. All right. There they are. Let me get the gloves on. I have 4 more boxes of this stuff. I bought 6 of them. I got a half case. I'll probably just keep doing them at 2 just to keep the price down and give you guys something to... It's not so expensive that you can jump in on and build hockey. I'll just keep building hockey. And I still have 2 boxes of the cup that I'm working on here. Trying to get another way of doing it. I think I have it. So you might see that go up tonight. All right, here we go. Top loaders are here. Sleeves. Razor. I might as well get them both. All right, your first box, Series 1. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we can get something crazy. We had a pretty good 2 last time in this series. Alright. Empty. There are 24 packs of 8 cards in this stuff. So, there's your 24 packs. First one. Just finished packing up all the Bowman Draft from last night. Separated it all, packed it all. So, that'll start going out tomorrow, too. And we'll get rolling right on this too. So, get it out of here. Alright, here we go. Blow through them and see. I'll just go through the base cards, and every time I hit something, we'll name it. There's Oshie from the Capitals, Shooting Stars insert. That's not numbered. We got Helm, Fogel, and Gustafsson. We've got Dylan, Keith, Petrie. There's an Islander, Barzal. Pure Energy insert. Yeah, we pulled his the other night, that redemption card in the cup. That was a pretty good one. Buchnevich, Oshie, Zucker, and Fowler. And this is all card shipped, so every card that I have in here will go to you. We got Wilson Thomas, Peju, Teravainen. There is our first canvas card. Followed by Hellebuck, Kostinen, and Bonino. Alright, this one is Brandon Dubinsky of the Blue Jackets. It's going to Brett Ross. Canvas. And we'll sleeve that up for you since there isn't a crazy amount of hits in this. Every one we will sleeve. There you go. Canvas card for the Blue Jackets starting us off. There's James. Fast. Lindblom, Forsberg, Marchand. There's a Pure Energy Patrick Laine from the Jets. Then Rimsdick, Barzal, and Lindholm. You have the Brusque, Theodore, Ryan. There's a young gun. There's our first one for the Devils. Nathan Bastian. Devils get the first one. Nathan Bastian. That is Steven, right? Yep. Hopefully we get another Patrick Hughes. Alright. Wall base. Hey James, how you been? I've just been packing all afternoon. Sidney Crosby, Pietrangelo. What do we got here? Aho. Upper Deck Portraits for the Hurricanes. We got Sorelli. Dumba. What's this? Got Yandel, Calvert, Reinhardt. What's this? Patrick Roy. That looks like it's some kind of an insert, maybe. I'll sleeve it just in case. It's definitely different. I think they have like a series of him in here. And then that's going to follow by this pretty cool card. Clear Cut Foundation Laine and DeBrincat for the Blackhawks. Who's got the Blackhawks? That's a pretty good one there. That's a die cut, clear cut. Die cut, clear cut. And that's going to Brett Ross. Nice. That's a nice hit. There you go. There's the back of it. Oh, Bozer and... Oh, wait. Is that a dual card? What's on the back of this? Hold on a second. It looks like two cards in one, but I'm not going to split it or anything. Yeah, it is. Holy cow. We got two back-to-back. Huh. There you go. We got the Canucks. Pedersen and Bezer. And the DeBrincat and Kane. 33 is on the right. It wasn't run numbered, though. But, yeah, we got back-to-back clear-cut foundation cards. They're kind of together. Interesting. So, Blackhawks get one and the Canucks get the other. Yeah, I didn't notice it until I flipped it over. And I'm like, wait a second. Make sure I get this in here right on. There you go. These die cut ones are tough to get in the sleeve sometimes. I'm going to take my time and get it right. There's the Blackhawks one. there's that Canucks one. Yeah, they were stuck together. Like you couldn't... I didn't notice it until you see it on the back. That's cool. Probably wasn't supposed to be like that either, so we got 2 of them. These clear cuts are pretty cool. There it is. Just making sure I get it right. There you go. Neat. 2 of them, not 1. All right. 3 more base cards. Oh yeah, this one. This isn't numbered. It's just I think there's a series of his. See, it's Upper Deck 30-12. So I'm guessing it's a Patrick Roy series. Similar to like what they did with Wayne Gretzky. Alright. Spurgeon, green. It's a Foley. Up, there's your game jersey. Jake Allen of the Blues. So the Blues get the game jersey for this one. That's Jake Allen. I like easy names like that. And that's going to the Scott Anders. Alright, give me a sec. Used up all my top loaders packing. There we go. That's a 138. And there it is. There you go, Blues. Scott Anders gets that one. And Middlestat and Stetcher. Voracek, Killorn, Coutier, Giroux, Pure Energy from the Flyers. Insert. Yeah, they are. Getting 2 back-to-back like that's pretty awesome. Bennington, Carter, Andre Fleury, Stefan. And they're die cuts, so that's even better yet. It'd be cool if they were numbered or autographed, but hey, I'd take them. Stahl, Hines, Kreider, Sorensen. There's our Upper Deck canvas card, followed by Matthews for 10 and then Lowry. It's going to go to the Ducks. It looks like Adam Henrik. Canvas card. Anaheim Ducks. That's Brett Ross. Brett's doing all right so far. Canvas. I can get last year's Upper Deck too, like Series 1 and 2, cases of it if you want. Dvorak, Hall, Tavs. There you go. Young Guns for the Sharks. Behind that is Duclair, Wenberg, Coyle, and Gaudreau. This is your taken from the Sharks. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. That's a funny one. There you go. I might be pronouncing it right too, which is even funnier. Young Guns for the Sharks. Okay. Bogosian, Raquel, Wheel. There is Gaten Haas of the Oilers Young Guns. Seguin, Strom, Doughty, and Fisher behind him. So there is another Young Guns hit. This time it's the Oilers. The Sharks was... Where are you? Scott Anders, and the Oilers is John Montgomery. So John gets that one. Okay, Pedersen, Bratt, Bailey, Scheifele. What is it? Scheifele? Schiffele? I remember you guys telling me that one. There's Ryan McDonough. Upper Deck Portraits for the Lightning. Coleman, Horvat, and Chasen. quick. Comfort. There is a Wayne Gretzky. Wayne Gretzky center. That one is the Kings. Gretzky helps Kings reach first Stanley Cup final in club history. What's the number on that? That's UD 30-7. So it's similar to that Patrick Roy. Or Waugh, I'm sorry. Sleeve it, what the heck. Throw it in there. I'll toss the Roy in the sleeve too. Why not? They're going to go in them anyway. Waugh. It's Waugh, not Roy, right? Gerard, Riley, Anderson, and Jost. There it is. Shifley. I got you. Shifley. All right, that'll be the one that I learned today. Riley, Hopkins, Johnson. There it is. Gerard for the Avalanche. Upper Deck canvas. That's going to go to Chris Lee. Samuel Gerard. Avalanche. And then we've got Clefbaum, Kuznetsov, and Burns. Letty, Atkinson, Borgstrom. Colin White, Generation Next for the Senators insert. Henderson, Strom, Nielsen. That would have been something, right? Reeves, Eller, Roussel, Stone. There's an Upper Deck Rookies. Zadina of the Red Wings. Insert. And we got Hamilton, Ellers, and Bozak. I see something there. Radulov, Hannafin, Klingberg. There we go. McEachern of the Blues, Young Guns. Am I pronouncing that right? McEachern. Usually it's not how it sounds, but there you go. Blues getting one. Young Guns. Scott Anders. Komarov, Patrick, Grubauer, and Carter Hart. We got about 5 left. In the first box, Hyman, Sad, Niederreiter, Carlson, Barkov, Pure Energy for the Panthers insert. Palette, Blackwood, and Dahlin. And we got Marson, Shen, Severson. There's Bergman of the Sharks. Young Guns. Young Guns getting too short. What am I saying? The Sharks getting 2 Young Guns. Not the Young Guns getting 2 Sharks. Alright. Another one for Scott Anders. Matt Murray, Lindahl, and a couple other base hits. Markov, Larkin, Schultz, Scheidel. There's a canvas. Robert Thomas of the Blues. There you go, Blues. Is that Anders again? In between the Blues and the Sharks, he's alternating. Is it? Yeah, it is. So Robert Thomas, young canvas card. Not a young canvas card, it's a canvas card. 3 more base, we have 3 more. We'll jump into the second one. Brock Ellis, Little, there's a Generation Next. Meyer, right wing, Sharks. Seth Jones, Tierney, Chabot, and Sprong. Look too, he has 2015-16 Black Diamond, which is pretty cool if you want to do any kind of Connor McDavid hunting. I can grab that. Jesper K. Stan, what is that? Stastny. Chara. We got Clayton Keller. He's in the 17-18 Cup that I have. Holtby, Seabrook in our last pack. We got Domi, Crawford, Arvidsson, and there is Poling from the Canadians, Young Guns. That's Surtak. Grabbing one there. And that will probably be our last Young Gun. This is the last pack. The first box. Eakin, Kucherov, Musin, and Horquist. And that wraps up box 1. There's our little stack there. And we still have a whole other box yet. Let's see what else we're going to pull. These are all from the same case, too. I hand pick them every time. I just go, give me a case, and I open it, and I take a half. There we go. There we go. Empty. Okay, pack 1. Second box, good luck. Let's see what we end up with here. Shen, Anderson, Barkov, Larkin. There is Seguin from the Stars, Shooting Stars insert. Lindell, Krejci, and Luongo. Schultz, Cheitel, Clutterbuck. There is Connor McDavid, Pure Energy insert. That's cool. Simon, Captain Jones. Let's knock one down on this side. Keith, Petrie, Wilson, Robert Thomas. Looks like Nico from the Devils, Pure Energy. Oshie, Zucker, and Fowler. Pajal, Teravainen, DeBrusk. There we go. What is it? Senyshyn of the... I'm probably getting that wrong. Senshin. Young Guns, Bruins. And the Bruins goes to James Leary. There you go. You got a Young Guns. There's Hellebuck, Kostinen, and Hurdle. I think we have 20 more. Ellis, Little, Bujestad, Jesper K. I call him Jesper K. And here's our first canvas card, followed by 3 base. And this one's going to the Red Wings, looks like. Athanasau. There you go. Red Wings, Detroit. That's got to be John. Yep, John Montgomery. There you go, John. You got a canvas card. Athanasau. Theodore Ryan Nylander. Yep, there's another one. Nugent Hopkins for the Oilers. I think that is also John, right? Yeah, the Red Wings and Oilers right below each other. So back-to-back canvas cards for John Montgomery. Nugent Hopkins. Kempy, Perron. Stastny, Chara, Domi. There we go. Blake Lizotte of the Kings. Lizo, maybe? I could be pronouncing it wrong. Kings. Would be James Leary. There you go. And we have Holtby, Faxa, Seabrook, and Eakin. Crosby, Pietrangelo, Nandel. There's a Wah again. Followed by Sorelli, Trellin, Dumbo. It's another one of these inserts from a series. That one's Upper Deck 3013. Patrick Waugh. Canadians. Calvert, Reinhardt, Fast, Lindblom. Sidney Crosby Upper Deck portraits for the Penguins. And then we got Denault, Jones, and Van Riemsdyk. Van Riemsdyk, I think is what it is, if I remember right. Crawford, Arvidsson, Eriksson, Lindblom. Kovalchuk of the Kings Upper Deck portraits. Followed by Kucherov, Muzzin, and Hornquist. Forsberg, Marchand, Bogsian, I'll never get it. Young Guns. Timmins from the Avalanche, Colorado. There you go, Avalanche getting another one. That would be Chris Lee. It's a Connor Timmins. Let me see something. Just want to know for myself. Avalanche. Nah, it's not him. Yeah, we're looking for the fourth draft pick is the Avalanche. I thought maybe it was him. Barzal, Lindholm, Seguin, and Strom. We're getting down there. Probably about half a box left. Let's see what else we're going to get. Nurse, Kane, Dillon. There's a Nolan Patrick generation next for the Flyers. Helm, Fogili, and Gustafsson, and Buchnevich. Some of these names are so hard. Let's see. Lundqvist, Bertuzzi, Pesh, Turris. Oh, a clear-cut Young Guns. Am I right? There you go. For the Blues. 3 clear cuts in 2 boxes. There it is at the bottom left. Clear cut. See it? Blues getting that one. That would be Scott Anders. So 3 different people get clear cut cards. A Young Gun clear cut. Sweet. Cool, cool, cool. You should be able to get your money back for that one easy. There you are. Alright, cool. Gordy, Rust. There you go, Rust. Brian Rust. Silverberg, Morrissey, Borgstrom. There is Pasternak. Pure Energy for the Bruins. Hoffman, Sherry. I'll never get it. Sizikas, I'll never get it. Svetnikov. Bennett, Rask, Poso, Boker. There's a canvas for the Devils. Nikita Gusev. The Devils get one there. It's a Young Guns. Okay, cool. Young Guns canvas card for the Devils. Let's go on to Steven. There you go, bud. Cool. You want a Young Gun, but a Young Gun canvas is better. Three clear cuts. Crazy. The Kaiser, Ekholm, Stahl. That pile's getting pretty tall. Let me knock that down so I don't spill it. We have Cologne, Coutier, Stahl, Hines, Cam Atkinson, Blue Jackets, Pure Energy insert. There's Carter, Fleury, Stepan. Down to about 8 packs left. We have Kreider, Sorensen, Dvorak, and there's Mikheyev, Young Guns for the Maple Leafs. There you go, Maple Leafs getting one. James Leary. Okay. Austin Matthews, Virtanen, Lowry, and Duclair. Checklist with O'Reilly and Marchand on it. Set that aside. Jenner, Draisaitl. There's the Young Guns. What is it? Fahervery. Capitals. James Leary. Alright. There he is. Capitals get one. We got Richie. There's another checklist with Gaudreau and Matthews. Krug and Clifford. What else do we have? The Hall, Tabs, Pedersen, Bratz. There's a canvas card of Tavares of the Maple Leafs. There you go. Another canvas card going there. That's James Leary. The Tavares canvas card. Cool. Wenberg, Coyle, and Gaudreau. And I'll recap all these at the end. Blackland, McKinnon, Richardson, Spurgeon. There's a Gaudreau of the Flames Upper Deck Portraits. By Weber, Suter, and Couture. Green, Toffoli, Voracek, Connor McDavid. That looks like a different kind of card. That's one of those inserts as well. Kind of like Wah. And, what's his name? That we keep pulling. That's pretty cool looking. For the Oilers. Rec 30-24. This must be a series for him, too. Giordano, Stetcher, Middlestat, and Bennington. And we're down to 3 packs. Bailey. What is it? Schiffely? Am I right? Hedman. And there's another one. Yep. Gretzky. Kings. Number 30-8. There's Coleman, Horvat, Chasen, and Gerard. Yeah, we got a couple of these. We got a McDavid and a Wah. So there's series inserts for these. Yeah, put the series together. Why not? It's like a mini series. There's Quick, Comfer, Hyman, Sad, Seguin, Upper Deck Portraits for the Stars, O'Reilly, Anderson, and Jost. And we are down to our final pack in this little 2-boxer. I got 4 more coming. Anita Ryder, Carlson. Here's a hard one. I'll never get it. I'll never get it. And we got Heroes, Young Guns, followed by 4 base. We got a Red Wings right at the end there. Going to John Montgomery. Alright, cool. Yeah, some of these names you just look at and you're like, my brain doesn't register like that. I'll try. I'll butcher them. You guys can laugh. Alright. Recap time. We got a whole stack of them here. Alright. We've got, is it Heroes, the Red Wings, Young Guns? Wayne Gretzky, Kings. Insert, Connor McDavid, series insert for the Oilers. Tavares canvas card for the Maple Leafs. We got Fahervery from the Capitals, Young Guns. Mikheyev of the Maple Leafs Young Guns. We've got another Young Guns canvas card of Gusev for the Devils. We have a clear-cut Mackenzie McEachern Young Guns for the Blues. That is sweet. Beautiful. We've got Timmins Young Guns for Colorado Avalanche. We got a Patrick Waugh series insert. Lizotte of the Kings Young Guns. We have a canvas of Nugent Hopkins for the Oilers. We got a canvas of Athanasau of the Red Wings. Senyshyn from the Bruins. I'm butchering some of these. These are hard. Poling, Canadians. Robert Thomas canvas card for the Blues. Bergman Young Guns for the Sharks. There he is. McEachern of the Blues is again Young Guns. So you got his clear cut and you got his Young Guns regular. Canvas card of Gerard for the Avalanche. There's another Patrick Waugh series insert. Another Gretzky series insert for the Kings. Gaten Haas Young Guns for the Oilers. You're taken of the Sharks Young Guns. There is Adam Henrik of the Ducks canvas card. There's a game jersey Jake Allen of the Blues. We got two more clear cuts. Clear cut foundation. Pedersen and Besser of the Canucks. No, not really. We got the Brinkat and Kane of the Blackhawks. We did get another clear cut for the Blues, the Young Guns. McEachern, I think it is. Bastian, there's the Devils Young Gun. And Dubinsky for the Blue Jackets. Canvas card. And that's how those played out. We got a few inserts. We got a portrait Seguin, Goudreau. We got Blue Jackets Atkinson and Pasternak, Pure Energies. We got a Nolan Patrick Next Generation. Got Volchuk of the Kings. Crosby the Penguins. Nico for the Devils. Connor McDavid Oilers. Seguin Shooting Stars. Clayton Keller Portraits. Meyer Next Generation. Pure Energy Barkov. Zadina from the Red Wings Upper Deck Rookies. Colin White Next Generation. McDonough Lightning Portraits. Giroux Flyers Pure Energy. Aho Hurricanes Portraits. Line A from the Jets Pure Energy. Barzal from the Islanders Pure Energy. And Oshie from the Capitals. Yeah, we got a... I'll show it to you again since you missed it. We got... Here he is. Young Guns clear cut. There it is on the back, bottom left. They are rare. So that's pretty cool. And then we got the two stuck together, even better. So basically out of two boxes, we got 3 clear cut cards. Which is awesome. Cool. You will see more of this stuff coming. I got 2, and we'll probably just do 2 and 2 like this, just so you guys can keep collecting the Young Guns and keep. Maybe we can get some more hockey people in here and keep building. And you'll see more of the Cup. I've got 2 more boxes of that. At the moment, I think Bowman Chrome is up. Baseball. It's probably about half full. And yeah, Star Wars. If anybody wants to jump in, they're pretty cool cards too. So, and I've got some fillers up that are dirt cheap. You can get in pretty cheap. All right. I appreciate it. Thank you again. I'll be around if you need to message me. Have a great night. We will see you.